All right, YouTube, listen, have you ever had one of them days as a barber when you just woke up on the wrong side of your neck? I don't even know if it's like waking up on the wrong side of your neck or something, but you can't turn this way and you can't turn. That's what I'm dealing with today. We're gonna try to brush with a broken neck. What had happened was yesterday, I was in bed, it was cool until I turned and tried to get up, and it just wasn't, it just didn't go well for me. So right now, all day, at least I'm a little better today because I can at least turn this way. But this way always been good. But this way, nothing but shoulders today. All right, let's see if I can get through these cuts today. Stay tuned. Guys, got something in the mail. I don't know what it is. It says sales department. You know what? This might be me, but nevertheless, let's try. It might be a return from. Might be yeah. It's a return. Never mind.
Get your beats.
Listen, all right, listen, my neck is hurting. It's hurting. This is day 2. This is day 2. The first day, my neck was really kind of like, I couldn't move it at all. I had to turn my shoulders. I was with the shoulders with it. So I looked up on YouTube and I saw some exercises that you could do to make your, neck kind of loosen up. And the exercise that I want to tell you, because it's a lot of barbers that probably had this problem. Here's the first exercise that you need to know. If your neck is hurting and it's cramped, do one of these. I know it look foul. I understand that it look foul. You got to do one of these, okay? Along with that, okay? It just don't stop there. Wherever it's hurting at and where you can't turn, I need you to reach back in the middle of the spinal cord, okay? And just push it this way. Push that cramp this way and look wherever it is that it's hurting, okay? From just pull from the spinal cord to the shoulder plex, okay? I am not a doctor, a therapist, or a physical therapist. I'm not none of that. Okay, I'm just saying, if this just happens to happen to you, this is what you do. Okay, it helped me. I'm better today. It still kind of hurts when I do it. It still kind of hurts. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still working on the exercises, and it did relieve some pain that first day. Okay, believe you me. Okay, because if it wasn't for me seeing those exercises, I was having neck spasms. I couldn't. Your boy was going through it, okay? Woke up the next day, and that's what y'all saw, all right? I don't know if my head was stiff during the time lapse. I don't know if you could see my head being stiff during the time lapse, but I'm trying to tell you, man, that was a rough day, okay? Don't fault me on any of the blends that I've done. Don't fault me on what the haircuts look like. I know some of them cuts, you probably was thinking, oh, Jeezy left a bald spot until I combed it down. You thought you had me on that one. Don't act like you in the comment section below. Let me know. You thought you had me on that one. Not today. Not today. But if you having this problem, hey, listen, if it helped you, if you going through it, comment down below. Okay, this is serious, okay? This is my second time having something like this. I went out to see my brother in Atlanta, spazzed out on my neck. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole nother story. I was playing basketball. I was hooping on cats. You know what I'm saying? Got fouled, twisted my neck. That's a different story. But if you cutting and you got a problem in your neck, I would take the day off, okay? Give you at least a day to really just recoup, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.